Good morning everyone, myself Raghavan Singh from class 7th. Today I stand strongly in favor of the motion regards before you discuss.
Good morning everyone, myself Vivek Singh and today I stand against the motion regards before you discard.
First of all, what does this phrase mean? It simply means thinking carefully before throwing anything away. Friends, in today's world, we have developed the habit of using the things and throwing them very quickly. But is that the right thing to do? No.
Let me explain the term in my language. The term regards before you discard is basically excusing clutter. It means keeping old, broken or useless things instead of moving forward. It stops us from living a clean, modern and organized life. So, bro, your idea sounds good and intelligent, but in real life it is not always practical.
Listen everyone, my respected opponent said that the idea is not always practical, but I would like to say, if every person uses even one item daily, the impact on the earth will be huge.
Too much storing causes problem in our daily life.
So we are not asking to save everything. We are just asking to think before throwing. There is a difference between them. You can still throw harmful things, but many useful things are thrown without thinking.
My respected opponent just said there is a huge difference. But recyclable objects also cause problem. Dust increases, our house become messy and even it can cause diseases.
But when we throw too much waste, it can increases the landfills, pollutions and can also harm the animals and even our nature also. The 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle, help us to save our environment.
We cannot spend time on checking every small item before discarding. Recycling is not always easy. Every small item cannot be reused easily. So, your idea sounds good in theory, but it is difficult in practice.
I have already said that you don't have to recycle everything, but many waste products can convert it to many useful things, like a plastic bottle to a flower pot, an old t-shirt to a cleaning cloth. And friends, it's my humble request to everyone, please ask some questions with yourself before throwing anything away. Is this helpful to us? Can we use this again? A small change in our thinking can create a big change in the world. Therefore, I proudly support the phrase, regards before you discard.
At the last, I want to say that I respect my opponent views, but we should not just settle what's already there. We must reinvent the future. For necessary shift for better tomorrow, I firmly stand against the motion regards before you discard. Thank you for your open mind.